Hey, what is up, guys? It's Brendan here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the best business loans for startups. So if you are brand new to business, or maybe you are an established business running a startup company, that's what we're going to be taking a look at here in today's video. What are some of the best business loan options that you have for getting fast funding or getting financing for your small business? Now, before we dive into things, of course, I do want to mention if you want to check out any of the companies mentioned here in today's video, you want to check out those links linked down below in the video description. Again, some of which are affiliate links, which can be a great way to help out and support the channel. Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into the list. Now, for businesses, small businesses, startups, it's important that you're able to get access to quick and fast funding. Now, in terms of the different types of funding options, there are traditional bank loans, SBA loans, as well as online lenders. Now, a lot of the companies we're going to be taking a look at here in today's video are online lenders, which can help connect you with SBA different loans, as well as more flexible loan options. So that's what we're going to be taking a look at here in today's video. And the top page here is the best small business loans page. You can go ahead and check out the link to this page here in the video description. This is best small business loans, and this is a page here that will be automatically updated depending on when you're watching this video for some of the best small business loan partners and companies to get small business loans through. So taking a look here at the number one spot here we have is On Deck. Now, On Deck offers up to $250K for established businesses. They offer term loans that can fund the same day, as well as lines of credit that can fund instantly, and they have a fast application process with no hard credit pulls, flexible repayment terms of 12, 18, or 24 months. And taking a look here at their website, they are recognized as one of the best for short-term loans by industry experts, and they do offer lines of credit as well as term loans, and it can help a variety of different types of businesses depending on if you're more established or if you are more of a beginner. Now, I will say that On Deck is maybe better for people that are a little bit more established in terms of getting, up to $250K for established businesses. But even if you are a beginner, it could be worth checking them out, applying, and just getting started to see where you stand. That's one thing I'll say across all these different companies as we go through the list here, is that I would recommend applying for, calling, contacting, getting at least quotes from a lot of different vendors here so you can get an idea as to which might be the best lender for you in your startup business or your startup small business as well. So, or just for startup businesses in general, because a lot of you guys are running on, the process where you do need fast funding and money to keep your business going. Or if you are kind of getting things off the ground, a lot of businesses do need funding for that type of business operation, right? Running as a startup. Next in this list we have is Lendzi. Now, Lendzi does offer loans from $25,000 up to $5 million. They offer a decision as fast as 24 hours and funding as quick as 72 hours. Applying does not affect your credit score, and that you can apply in minutes. Now, Lendzi is a little bit different from some of the other options in this list because they do offer more of a variety of different types of lending options, from small business loans to startup business loans. Hence the title of this video, of course, startup business loans. They do have an expert in that, which can help you in terms of taking the next step in terms of hiring employees, buying equipment, upgrading your tech, or paying for inventory as well. They do also offer real estate loans, personal loans, and SBA loans. So depending on what type of loan that you're interested in, Lendzi can help connect you with a variety of different types of lenders. You can compare across over 60 plus lenders, helping you choose the best option for you depending on your business. And moving on, next in this list we have is Biz2 Credit. Now, Biz2 Credit offers the loan amounts from $5,000 to $5 million. Average monthly revenue requirement is $100,000, and the minimum credit score is only 580. Now, the reason why they're able to offer the monthly revenue requirements at $100,000 is because they have such a low credit score requirement. So they're kind of like doing manual underwriting in a way. So if you do have bad credit and you're maybe a startup with bad credit, then Biz2 Credit could be a good option for you. As long as you have enough established revenue in your business, then they can take that sort of like as collateral in a way, or being able to manually underwrite things, saying like, okay, well, you have the money to pay the loan. Even if you don't have as good of a credit score, that can at least help you with this process. So they specialize in that here. Now, you do need at least a certain level of business income here to actually qualify with Biz2 Credit. As you can see, the different credit score ranges and how long you've been in business. Now, even if you haven't gotten started, you could still potentially try with Biz2 Credit, but it might be better looking at some some of the other options in this list. And next we have is Revenued, and Revenued is an online tracking platform and personal account manager to keep your business goals in check. They offer loans from $5,000 to $500,000, average yearly revenue requirements of $250,000, so quite a bit less than Biz2 Credit in terms of the overall revenue requirements, and they have a minimum credit score of none, so they don't have any kind of credit score requirements either here, which is kind of nice, and minimum time to apply. Minimum time in business to apply is 1 year. So if you haven't been in business for a year, definitely look elsewhere, but Revenued can give you a good flexible option when it comes to like a flex line and a business credit card. So they can offer working capital as well as a couple of other tools that they do offer for small business owners and small business financing. Moving on, next in this list we have is Bluevine. Now, Bluevine offers lines of credit up to $250,000 and an average yearly revenue requirement of $120,000 and a minimum credit score of 625 on the FICO score, and minimum time business is a year. So you do need to at least be in business for a year with Bluevine as well. But they offer a wider variety of different types of business products and services when it comes to checking accounts, business loans, credit cards, and other types of business solutions. So, and they offer, of course, solutions for startups specifically if you're looking at getting certain types of credit and offers for specifically startups. Bluevine does have that as well. And they can offer funding for your business in addition to like a checking account, lines of credit, and a credit card. Again, you do need to at least have been in business for at least a year for a company like Bluevine in order to qualify with them. Moving on, next in this list, we also have is businessloans.com. Now, business loans, you're able to compare offers in less than 3 minutes, and that's multiple different types of offers. They have loans up to $3 million and free application with no credit check. Short and long-term loan options are available, and on-demand line of credit up to a fixed limit. As you can see here, this is businessloans.com, and they do have the ability to compare more variety of loans with short-term loans, long-term loans, lines of credit, and merchant cash advances as a small business. So business loans, again, can be another good option worth taking a look at. And if you do want to get access to this list here, again, like I mentioned at the top of this video, there are links linked down below in the video description if you do want to check out this list. This list is in partnership with money.com, and it will be updated whenever you're watching this video. You go ahead and check out the first link in the video description. That's brendanvalesky.com/best small business loans, and that will take you over to this page here where you can find the list of the best small business loans for you. And depending on when you're watching this video, it will be constantly updated as well. Now, taking a look, last but not least, I also want to mention Fora Financial. Fora Financial does also offer small business funding all the way up to like 1.5 million. So they offer quite high there. Now, you do need to at least have like a business checking account. You do need to be at least a little bit more established for Fora Financial. And that's something you'll find common across like maybe about half or so of dozen of these lenders, and even some of the lenders that they might partner you with as well. So it's worth contacting and calling around to see like which type of company is best for your small business or for your startup business. Maybe if you're already established or if you're not established, is something worth keeping in mind. For you do need to be a little bit more established as well. So if you're not, definitely recommend checking out some of the other lenders further up in this list. But Fora, as you can see, you can get up to 1.5 million in fast, simple, and reliable business capital in order to continue to grow your startup business. And this is, again, Fora Financial. Link will be down in the video description. They do offer small business loans, revenue advances, and lines of credit. As you can see here, they understand small business. They take a big picture and value the one-on-one connections. Again, as you can see here, they give you a couple different options if you're in the education industry, commercial, residential, electric, construction industry. So they offer like bridge funding, different tech and business services, communications expansion, stabilization growth. So offering a wide variety of different types of funding options depending on your startup and depending on the nature of your small business. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful on some of the best business loans for startups or startup business loans. If you guys do want to check out any of the companies mentioned here in today's video in this list, you can go check out those links linked down below in the video description. If you guys found this video helpful or enjoyed it, then be sure to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button as well, and notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. Anyway, guys, that's all for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.